Hello, Brady Nation! Welcome back sa another episode ng Investing Brady. Kamusta ang inyong mga love life at budget life? Kasi today, we're talking about the elephant in the room for many magjowa or mag-asawa. Money! Hindi natin yan pwedeng iwasan, guys. Kahit gaano pa kayo ka-in love, money issues are one of the top causes ng arguments and worse breakups. So, ang goal natin today, financial harmony. Budgeting for Couples 101. Let's dive right in. 3 main steps to achieve financial peace with your partner. Step 1, the money talk. How to start the conversation. Bakit ba kailangan pag-usapan yan? Simple lang. Money issues are the number 1 reason couples argue and break up. Diba? If you want a strong relationship, you need financial trust. Walang masama sa utang or sa mababang sahod. Ang masama, yung tinatago nyo sa isa't isa. Kaya, let's make this conversation work. First, set a safe space. Hindi to dapat na gaganap habang galit kayo or pagod. Mag-set ng date, maybe after dinner with coffee. Make it a calm, collaborative discussion. Hindi yan interrogation. Second, be transparent. Dapat alam nyo ang buong picture. Magkano ang income ninyong dalawa? Magkano ang utang? Huwag magtago ng secret credit cards or loans. Yan ang sakit sa ulo. Start with your financial dreams. Ano ang gusto ninyong ma-achieve together? House and lot? Travel? Retirement? Pag may shared goal kayo, mas madaling mag-budget. Step 2, joint versus separate budgeting. Anong mas okay? This is the big debate. Should you merge all your finances or keep them separate? My advice, a little bit of both. I recommend the 3 bucket system. Bucket 1, the joint account. Dito, papasok ang portion ng salary ninyong dalawa na pang shared expenses. Rent/mortgage, groceries, utilities, insurance. Ito, yung non-negotiables na kailangan bayaran. May 2 paraan to contribute. Una, equal sharing, 50-50. Parehong halaga ang ibinibigay ng bawat isa. Simple at diretso pero hindi laging fair kung magkaiba ang kita. Ikalawa, proportional sharing base sa kita. Ang ambag ay nakabase sa percentage ng total income ng bawat isa. Halimbawa, kung si Mr. ay kumikita ng 60% ng kabuuang kita ng household, siya ang mag-aambag ng 60%. Kung si Mrs. ay kumikita ng 40%, siya ang mag-aambag ng 40%. Bakit ito mas patas? Dahil ang sakripisyo ay pantay base sa kakayahan. Hindi lang halaga ang sukatan, kundi effort relative to income. Bucket 2, individual accounts, personal money. Ito yung pera na sa'yo lang. Walang tanungan, walang pakialaman. Pwede mong gamitin para sa sarili mong hobbies, luho o pang surprise gift sa partner mo. Bakit mahalaga ito? Para may sense of freedom at identity pa rin kayo bilang individuals. Hindi kailangang i-report kung bumili ka ng bagong sapatos, nagpa-manicure o nag-upgrade ng gaming gear. May sariling mundo pa rin kayo kahit magkasama sa buhay. Bucket 3. Investment or savings account for the future. Ito ang pinaka-crucial sa long-term goals nyo bilang mag-partner. Dito nyo ilalagay ang ipon para sa pambili ng bahay at lupa, pang-retirement, emergency fund, education fund, kung may kids in the future. Here's a tip. Gawing automatic ang hulog kada sahod para hindi na siya makalimutan o ma-delay. Treat it like a monthly bill. Pero, para sa future nyo. Mas masarap magplano ng buhay kung alam mong may safety net at pangarap na tinatrabaho nyo. Together. Okay, Brady Nation, we know the structure now, the 3 buckets. Pero anong unang-una nating pupunuan? Hindi muna ang investments, it's the foundation ng inyong financial security. Step 3, the ultimate couple security blanket. building your emergency fund together. Ang emergency fund or EF ang proteksyon ninyong mag-asawa. Ito yung gagamitin nyo pag may nawala ng trabaho, na ospital o nasira ang sasakyan. Kapag may EF kayo, hindi kayo mangungutang. Rule of thumb for couples, kailangan ninyong ipon ang katumbas ng 3 hanggang 6 na buwang halaga ng inyong joint expenses. So, yung mga expenses sa bucket 1, i-multiply niyo yan. Halimbawa, kung 50,000 piso ang joint expenses nyo per month, dapat target nyo 150,000 piso. 3 buwan hanggang 300,000 piso, 6 na buwan. Kailangang nasa safe place ang pera na yan. Where to park it? Huwag nyo yan ilalagay sa stocks or crypto. Dapat accessible at stable. I-park nyo yan sa high-yield digital banks kasi mabilis i-withdraw pero mas mataas pa rin ang interest rate kaysa sa traditional bank. Couple action plan, gawin nyong automatic ang paglipat ng pera from your income account papunta sa EF account every payday. I-treat nyo ang EF contributions nyo as a non-negotiable bill. Once na-reach nyo na ang target, EF ninyo, i-celebrate nyo. Kasi ready na kayo mag-level up. Ready na kayo mag-invest para sa future ninyong dalawa. So there you have it, Brady Nation. Budgeting with your partner doesn't have to be a nightmare. It's an opportunity to strengthen your relationship and secure your future. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment your biggest money tip for couples, and subscribe to Investing Brady. Thank you for watching at tandaan. Invest in yourself, invest in your relationship, and invest in your future. Kita-kits ulit